After watching this video, you will adapt to this style of cooking Toolo beef Angwamo. A very warm welcome to today's video. I'm Yummy Cash. For this recipe, you need a good salted Toolo beef and cut them into very small pieces. I'm using a homemade salted beef, but feel free to use market-bought salted beef. Also, try to cut the fatty parts away for your soups or your stews. When you're done with the cutting, in a pan containing water, put the cut beef in and bring it to a boil. Drain the water from the meat when it starts boiling and add in some onions, garlic, fennel seeds, and some water. You can add any spices of your choice, but please try to keep it as simple as possible, and also do not add any salt or seasoning powder. We are trying to reduce the amount of salt in the beef. Strain the stock from the beef and set them aside. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm adding 25 grams of butter, that is unsalted butter, then leave it to melt. Go in with the meat and fry for about 5 minutes. Time to add in some chopped onions and also fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onions are translucent, add the rice and stir. Please wash your rice if that is what you want. Now toast the rice for about 5 to 8 minutes to give it some nutty flavor and also prevent the rice from sticking to each other, especially when you don't wash your rice. The first time I learned about toasted rice was when I was in class 6. I cooked toasted rice and Angwamo for my father, and since that day he never allowed me to cook rice. Now at this point, the rice is well toasted, as you can see, very beautiful and just perfect. A closer look at it. After toasting the rice, add the stock from the meat, stir and add water if needed. So as I was saying, my father never allowed me to cook rice for him, in particular after applying or cooking rice this way, just because he said my rice came out very hard. Add seasoning powder of your choice and give it a good stir. Now add a little hot pepper to it and once again stir. The hot pepper is totally optional, so feel free to omit it if you don't want it. Now I add a little bit of salt to it, give it a very good stir and then cover to cook. In between the cooking, take time to fry some ripe plantain. After 5 minutes of cooking the rice, or when the water evaporates from the rice, fluff it with a fork and cover it with a baking sheet or aluminium foil, or better still, a clean napkin. Now set your fire on a very low heat and go ahead and grind some pepper. So when you cook your Angwamo Toolo beef like this, the beef isn't too salty and it just comes out very perfect. This is where we draw the curtains. I hope you did enjoy and also learned 1 or 2 things. Now you can see how the rice came out just too perfect. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Cheers.